This is the Takahashi accessory that is for holding eyepieces. I'll do this video for Star Astronomer to illustrate the similarities between his William Optics one and the Takahashi one. Now the difference is it's a 1 1/4 inch one, but it's got a screw thread on it, so you actually have to screw it into the visual back. But it's the same principle as the William Optics one. If you take off this collar, obviously it doesn't have the same grip as the William Optics one, but it's quite good. And if you unscrew it, you have, if I can zoom in, you can just see the taper on the inside of the black there. And then obviously on the inside of this guy, you have the actual the compression ring, which is also tapered, if it'll focus. And it's split the same as the William Optics one. This is actually plastic, but it's works just fine. And it just sits in there like so, and as you push down on it, it clamps down on the eyepiece. And I think the William Optics guys added a second ring and a middle ring to maybe avoid getting sued, because it is a copy. I guess they had to change it a little bit. If this is an eyepiece, you just drop it in and do it up. A bit hard to do one-handed. So that's how Takahashi do it. This is a spare one I've got. There's actually the actual one's actually on the telescope itself. I'll actually have to show you that. I'll do a video in the observatory at some stage, but show you the arrangement. But it's a good design. I like it. It can be tricky with threads with on a cold night. When you undo this, you end up undoing the whole thing. I like the William Optics one where it's got the draw tube, which is held in by the actual focuser. That's a better idea with the tapered nose piece as opposed to the threads. Takahashi thread everything, so sometimes on a cold night when you go to undo that, you undo the rest of it and the whole thing comes undone. The other thing that can happen is if you've got a heavy camera on here, it can actually unrotate itself due to the weight of the camera, so that can be problematic, but it is what it is. It's still better than the traditional locking screw in my opinion. So yeah, thanks for watching.